Today we'll have a closer look at the CloudWander waterproof sneakers, the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. These sneakers are designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable in any weather condition. The upper is made from 20% recycled waterproof membrane, protecting your feet from rain, puddles, and moisture. The sneakers are lightweight, allowing you to move freely and easily on any terrain. The Cloud Tech cushioning provides unparalleled comfort and support, reducing impact during active pursuits. The durable improved Mission Grip rubber outsoles provide reliable grip in dry and wet conditions and offer excellent traction, giving you confidence on slippery surfaces. The sneakers have a sleek and modern design, making them versatile for both outdoor activities and everyday wear. The lace closure ensures a secure fit, preventing any discomfort or slipping. The cushioned collar and tongue provide added comfort and support for your ankles. The sneakers feature a breathable lining, keeping your feet cool and dry throughout the day. The CloudWander waterproof sneakers are available in a variety of stylish colors to suit your personal style. Whether you're hiking, running, or simply exploring, these sneakers will keep your feet protected and comfortable. Say goodbye to wet and uncomfortable feet and hello to the CloudWander waterproof sneakers. Invest in a pair today and experience the difference for yourself. These sneakers are a game changer in the world of outdoor footwear. Experience the ultimate combination of performance, style, and functionality. Take your outdoor adventures to new heights with the CloudWander waterproof sneakers. These sneakers are built to last, ensuring you can enjoy them for years to come. Upgrade your footwear collection with the CloudWander waterproof sneakers. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until then, happy shopping!